Have you ever come up with an idea that is not only rare, but also very helpful to our society, only for it to be replicated by a company that is much bigger than you with much more money and power? Well, if you are sitting at home nodding your head yes, then chances are you have either heard of or ran into this man, or you have heard of his most notorious mafia. And if you haven't been living under a rock for the last few decades, you will know that in the smartphone market, Apple has been running other companies into the ground in the ranks of tablets, laptops, desktops, and smartphones. Apple has also decided to start dominating in other areas of tech, including wireless headphones, media players, smartwatches, and even smart speakers.
And you may be asking yourself, why is this random guy describing things that Apple does that I already know?
Well, to answer your question, almost every few years Apple decides to try something new. And it is evident that whenever they try something new, most of the time it becomes popular and kills off a lot of other companies that have been doing it before Apple. And this is why I say that Apple is relative to a notorious mafia that is not only huge and has huge resources, but is willing to expand and knock off any competition in sight. The brand new product that Apple revealed at their latest event was the very unique Apple branded Airtags.
When I first saw this product, the first thought that came to my mind was the competition, specifically the company known as Tile.
The company was founded in 2012, making it 9 years old in the year of 2021. So as you guys can see, this company has been around trying to make a name for itself with its product for a very long time. The invention itself is very thoughtful, and when I saw that Apple released Airtags, I really wonder how the company Tile felt, because as you guys know, Apple is a much more popular brand that has much more influence and promotion within the media. And of course they pretty much ran with this idea by having it be much more compatible than Tile with products like iPhones, tablets, and pretty much any device that you can use Find My on. Like for instance, to connect Tile to your phone, you have to connect it using the Tile app. But if you're someone who has an iPhone, you're going to see the Airtags not only because of the branding of the Apple logo, but because all you have to do is literally put the Airtag next to your device and it will connect automatically.
So any random person in the store or watching YouTube tech reviews will see how much more compatible the Airtags are to their device, and it's just much less of a hassle.
The price is also something that Apple really thought through, because usually Apple will heavily boost their price to their newer products, from their smartphones all the way down to their chargers. But in all honesty, I was very surprised when Apple announced that the Airtags will only be $29 compared to Tile's $25 price tag. Now this is also bad news for Tile, since this price will make it even easier for a lot of customers to choose Airtags, because a $5 difference isn't a deal breaker for most people, giving the Airtags a higher leverage in the decision making process.
But despite this product being another addition to the company killer, I wanted to show you guys some cool things that the Airtags come with, starting with the accessories.
The Airtags have two different types of accessories, starting with the keyring that is meant to be attached to your keys, in which all you have to do is simply put your Airtag into the pocket and connect it to your keyring. The other accessory is the one that you attach to your luggage, and as you can see, it has a loop to attach to the handle of your luggage. So once you have attached your Airtags to your bag and or keys, the first thing that you must do is go into the Find My app under the items option, which will display all of the Airtags that you have attached. Also, if you are wondering how it will notify you whenever you click play a sound on your device, this is how it will notify you. Now, if you want to find another way to find your item that you have lost, the Airtags also have a tracking option that allows you to use your phone as a compass, and it even shows how far you are from your tags and what direction you should go in order to retrieve your lost item. And as you can see right here, the closer we get to the device, the smaller the circle gets. And I'm not going to lie to you guys, this was definitely the most impressive thing about the Airtags for me. And after my friend hid them, I had a lot of fun trying to find them. And something that I was very curious about when I got my hands on the Airtags was if they were rechargeable or not. And the answer is no. They are not rechargeable, but you can replace the battery, which is a Panasonic CR2032.
And the Airtags will also let you know when the battery is running low, so you'll never have to guess or wonder when to charge the battery.
Now, the last thing I wanted to cover was the security of the Airtags. Now, when someone steals your bag, the the first thing that will happen is the AirTags will notify them that it is not their bag. But one question I have is, what will happen if the person who is stealing your bag takes out the battery of your AirTag? And if that happens, then your items are technically gone forever. Now that is the only gripe that I have with the Apple AirTags, but other than that, I would say that this product is nothing short of amazing. And every single day there's someone who has lost their phone or their wallet or their bag, and I can honestly say that the Apple AirTags can be a wonderful solution for someone who is conscious of their belongings.
And all that with the fact that it's very reasonably priced is the reason why the Apple AirTags are something that I can get behind.
So if you guys made it to the end of this video, I would like to say thank you for sticking around, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It will be very appreciated. And also, as far as social media, you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.